JD Cap 26 here, just do the tips and Pures and Hobbies, and the joy of painting. Here's some models I painted, and as you see, details are put in with fine brushes and also with a airbrush. And you see the top of his head there. A lot of that was done with a fine brush. Okay. And details right down there. And the wash on his hand. Here's another one. If you make a mistake when you do your detail painting, you can always go over it. Don't feel like you don't have a chance to fix it. You don't have to wipe it off. Just go over it with the paint. I just want to show you these. It's really fun to paint, especially models which are 3D. And that's what I wanted to show you here. You can even paint models that have already been painted. Just put a base coat over them and paint them the way you want to paint them. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.